Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are diving deep into a powerful concept that most retail traders overlook. If you are looking to take your trading to the next level, then this video is going to introduce you to the Adaptive Jurik Filter. Okay, it's a nice indicator that could revolutionize the way you analyze the market. Now, if you have been trading for a while, you know that accuracy and precision are essential for making the right trading decisions. Okay, traditional indicators like moving averages and oscillators can be helpful, but they often lag behind or get choppy in volatile market conditions. That's where the Adaptive Jurik Filter comes in. In this video, we'll just break down how this advanced filter works, why it's a must-have for traders of all experience levels, and how you can integrate it into your trading strategy to help you identify trends, reversals, and key market points with more clarity and confidence. So, what exactly is the Adaptive Jurik Filter? Simply put, it's an advanced technical analysis tool designed to smooth out market data, reduce noise, and give you clearer signals. Now, unlike traditional moving averages, which can often lag behind price action, the Adaptive Jurik Filter adapts to changing market conditions, making it far more responsive. So what sets it apart from other filters is its ability to adjust its response to the volatility of the market. In choppy or sideways conditions, it will smooth the data more to avoid false signals. But when volatility picks up, the filter tightens up and becomes more responsive to price changes. This adaptability allows traders to stay on top of market movements without being overwhelmed by noise or delayed signals. Now, you may be wondering, why should I use this filter over the tools I already have? Well, here's why the Adaptive Jurik Filter can be a valuable addition to your trading toolkit. One is because of the less noise and more clarity function. Okay, this indicator helps you cut through all the noise in the market by providing a cleaner and smoother signal. When you are trying to analyze a chart, too many fluctuations can make it difficult to spot trends. The Adaptive Jurik Filter minimizes those fluctuations, making it easier to see what is really going on with price action. Now, this indicator also has improved signal accuracy. Traditional indicators can sometimes give false signals, especially when the market is in a sideways or low volatility phase, right? The Adaptive Jurik Filter adjusts its behavior based on the current market conditions, okay, which means you are less likely to get those false signals and more likely to see actionable moves. All right, and now the indicator also helps with adaptability to market conditions, right? Whether you are trading during a period of low volatility or a high volatility breakout, the filter adapts. This gives you a more accurate and timely representation of the market without the lag of traditional tools. Okay, and this indicator also helps with trend identification. One of the main benefits of the filter is its ability to help you identify trends early on. By smoothing out the price action, it helps you see the start of a trend more clearly, like you can see around here when this buy trade was identified on time right before the move, right? So that gives you an opportunity to position yourself before the market moves too far. Okay, so now that we know what it is and why it is useful, let us talk about how you can actually use the adaptive Jurik filter in your trading strategy. Okay, first of all, you can use it for trend confirmation. One of the easiest ways to use this filter is for trend confirmation. If you are using other indicators like moving averages or price action signals to identify a potential trend, you can use the adaptive Jurik filter to confirm that the trend is indeed valid. If the filter is aligned with the price action, it is a strong indication that the trend is real and likely to continue. Okay, now you can also use this indicator for reversal detection. The adaptive Jurik filter is also great for spotting reversals. You can see just right after this bearish move, you can see that the indicator gave us a buy signal. The line turned to blue, right? And that was when this bullish reversal was about to happen. So it allowed us to catch this signal, rather to catch this buy move on time. Okay, when a trend begins to lose steam, the filter will often the filter will often, you know, or will often change color, right? You can see that around this time the color changed to green, right? So you will notice that the filter will change color, giving you a sign that a reversal could be imminent. Okay, this is particularly useful if you are looking to catch reversals and avoid entering trades too late. And now this indicator can also help you to smooth out data, right? For those of you who find that too much noise is distracting when analyzing the charts, the adaptive Jurik filter can smooth out price data, making it easier to interpret. By doing so, it allows you to focus on the most important price moves while filtering out the irrelevant fluctuations. Setting up the adaptive Jurik filter is simple. If you are using a platform like the MetaTrader, all you have to do is to look for the custom indicator online, but ensure that you get it from a reputable site. Okay, and you shouldn't have to pay for it. Okay, it should be available for free. So once you download it, you have to add it to your indicators folder, and then you have to restart your terminal and then load the indicator to your chart. All right, now it's important to play around with the settings to find the right configuration for your trading style. Some traders like to use the default settings, okay, but others may adjust the sensitivity to get more or less smoothing depending on how they trade. Now, to wrap things up, if you are looking to improve your market analysis and reduce the noise in your trading, the adaptive Jurik filter is a powerful tool that can help. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned pro, this filter will help you make more informed decisions by providing clearer signals and allowing you to adapt to changing market conditions. It's not just about having the right tools, it's about using them effectively. With the adaptive Jurik filter, you can enhance your trend identification, reduce false signals, and ultimately trade with more confidence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you find this video helpful. Hit the notification bell so you are the first to know when we drop more trading tips and strategies. Let me know in the comments if you've used the adaptive Jurik filter and how it has worked for you. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.